First, have a look on the ingredients. This is boiled chickpeas. This is 1 cup of paneer. I have sprinkled little bit of garam masala and salt in this. And this is blanched spinach. Blanch is nothing. Just you have to take boiled water for 2 to 3 minutes. Put spinach in that with salt, little bit of salt, and then you squeeze out all the excess water. That's it. And this is boiled potatoes, and this is 2 chilies I'm going to use. I'm taking this jar, putting spinach in this one, and the chickpeas, and little bit of salt. Just grind it well. I have churned once, but right now I'm going to add little bit of garlic and little bit of ginger. Now churn it well again. See, this is how it looks now. I'm going to take out in a bowl. In this, see, I have taken out. In this, now I'm going to add potatoes, mashed potatoes. 1 potato, 1 cup of potato, or 1 big potato you can use. Just this thing. And half cup of breadcrumbs. And you have to see if it's binding properly or not. Just check it out with putting all things together. No, it is not. Then what I'm going to add is little bit of more breadcrumbs. I'm going to add little bit of breadcrumbs more so that it can easily bind. Now it's time to work with your hands. Clean your hands and make a dough. See the consistency? It's completely done. Just take little bit of oil in your hands. I'm not going to deep fry it. I will shallow fry. So we have to make, now I'm going to make tikkis for this. Take little bit of dough like this, little bit of mixture like this, make a cavity little bit and mix it well. This is the paneer. I'm going to take like this, fill in between and just close it like this. I'm going to make all and then we will shallow fry it. See, our tikkis are ready. Now we are going to shallow fry it. I'm going to take around 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. I'm using vegetable oil. I'm going to place it like this. Allow this to cook till it's golden brown. I have flipped them around. Allow to cook from this side also. It is done. Now we are going to do our plating. Hello to everyone. Those who are new to my channel, I would request you to subscribe my channel. It's absolutely free. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. Signing off right now. Take care. Bye.